Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet a watermelon bag.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay!
First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot.
You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project.
Before you begin, create a magic circle. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, crochet double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will keep repeating the process, double crochet all the way around until the end for 11 double crochet stitches. So keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the 11 double crochet stitches, and for the tail, gently pull the tail tighten. And then I will join around first, second and third crochet slip stitch. So this created the first round. And then for the second round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. For the second round, we will crochet 2 double crochet, increase. So I will crochet double crochet in the same stitch of the third chain, like this. And then the next one, I will crochet 2 double crochet, increase. 1, 2. So this is 2 double crochets, increase. Next, keep repeating from this process. 1, 2, like this. For the second round, we will crochet 2 double crochets, increase in each stitch all the way around until the end. Keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of the second round. I have crocheted 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around for 11 times total. And then I will join the second round, first, second and third crochet slip stitch, like this. And then for the third round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then crochet double crochet in the next stitch. For this one, I will crochet 2 double crochets, increase. 1, 2. So for the third round process, we will keep repeating the process. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets, increase this process all the way around until the end for 11 times total. So this created the first time. I will show you the second time. So next one will be 1 double crochet, and then the next one 2 double crochets increase, 1 and then 2 in the same stitch. So this created the second time. So keep repeating the process, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets increase all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets increase all the way around until the end, and then I will join the third round. So first, second and third crochet slip stitch, this one, and then I will start the round 4. For the round 4, chain 3, 1 2 3, and then crochet 1 double crochet in the next stitch. For this stitch will be increased on 1 already, and then 2. The next stitch will be 1 double crochet and then 2. Next, I will crochet 2 double crochets increase, 1 and 2. So we will keep repeating the process, 2 double crochets and then 2 double crochet increase, this process all the way around until the end, and I will be right back. So now I have finished with the 2 double crochets and 2 double crochet increase, and the last stitch I will crochet 1 double crochet. So this created the round 4, and then for the round 5 I will switch to white yarn. For the round 5, white yarn, yarn over, pull through, and then first, second and third slip stitch. Next, chain 3, 1 2 3, and then crochet double crochets, 1 2, this one will be 1 2 3, and then the next stitch crochet 2 double crochets increase, 1 and then 2. So for this one we will keep repeating the process, 3 double crochets and then 2 double crochet increase all the way around until the end. So keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished with 3 double crochets and 2 double crochets increase process, and then I will join first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then I will join the brown fifth, and I will switch to green yarn. So take this out, and then this one green yarn, and join first, second and third slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1 2 3, and then crochet double crochet, 1. So this one 2, and then next 2 double crochet increase, 1 2, and then we will crochet 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, and the next stitch will be 2 double crochets increase, 1 and 2. So we will keep repeating the process, 4 double crochets and 2 double crochet increase all the way around until the end. So keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished, and this one I have 2 stitches left, so I will crochet double crochets, 1 and 2, and then join first, second and third crochet slip stitch like this, and make another one of this. Now I have finished with another piece of the watermelon, and then I will assemble. So this one the wrong side and put it together. From this one, so insert to this and another side like this, yarn over, pull through. One, two, three, four, five, and then keep repeating this process all the way around until to your desired length, maybe around this one. So keep continuing and I will be right back. Now I have finished up this one, so I can open and I will use the zipper to sew in this. And then crochet a chain for the strap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep continuing crochet the strap until to your desired length. Now I have finished with this strap to my desired length, and then I will join to this and secure it. And we can decorate this one. I will use this to decorate the watermelon. Congratulations! Now we have finished the watermelon bag. Yay!
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.